Well, good day, friends and family from around the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. We're on January 28th, 2020. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. Welcome to another video for Morning Dew. We're going to start out here. A quick video for you. Update of a 7.3 earthquake in Jamaica. That's right. A very large 7.3, 10-kilometer depth in Lucea, Jamaica, 117 kilometers northwest of Lucea. There is definitely tsunami warnings with this large earthquake as well. 7.3. We're going to go to the Pacific Disaster Center and look for any tsunami alerts. This is a very sizable quake, everybody. Stay aware and prepared. Be ready for a big one on the Cascades. Ay, ay, ay. Crazy times we're living in. So here we are, 7.3, 117 kilometers northwest of Lucea, Jamaica. Tsunami warnings were put out locally to the Caribbean Sea. And it looks like that this is imminent, that there are tsunami waves heading towards these islands right now. Most times when they put out the tsunami alert in the area brief section, so here we're going to go to the area briefing of the tsunami warning, the Caribbean Sea, and most times it says no tsunami is imminent, but here they've got locations all across Cuba, Jamaica, Puerto Rico. I'm going to leave a description I'm going to leave a link to the description below. You can look at this yourself and see the latest alerts. But this is a very large earthquake, 7.3. I'm just going to go back here to the earthquake map and show you the last 24 hours. It's pretty sizable, 5.5 in Japan, and as well, Alaska still going off, 5.2 North Pole, and as well, we're looking at some earthquakes in Greece. So across the world right now, it is a shaken, and we've got an epidemic that is growing worldwide as well, as we have a first case reported in British Columbia of the coronavirus. Stay aware and prepared, my friends and family. Stay young and have fun. God bless humanity. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.